We all have big dreams and goals for our future, but financial constraints can often hold us back from achieving our full potential. That's where financial independence comes in. Hi my friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you 6 practical tips that can help you take control of your finances and work towards financial independence. I'm not talking about get-rich-quick schemes or magical overnight solutions. These are real actionable steps that you can start implementing today to take control of your finances and start building a better future. Tip number 1. Creating a budget. It's an essential step in achieving financial independence. It's not about restricting yourself, it's about being in control of your money. Imagine being able to pay your bills without worrying and having some leftovers for the things you love. That's what a budget can do for you. You can start by gathering all your bills, bank statements, and credit card statements for the past few months. You can create a simple spreadsheet or use a budgeting app that can categorize them into fixed expenses like rent, utilities, car payment, and variable expenses such as groceries, entertainment, and clothing. Once you have a clear picture of your finances, you can set realistic goals for saving and paying out debt. Tip number 2 is living below your means. It may seem like a sacrifice, but it's actually an act of self-care, as you deserve to have financial security and peace of mind. It simply means spending less than you earn and avoiding unnecessary expenses. Let's say your monthly income is $4,000 and your fixed expenses such as rent, utilities, and debt payments amount to $2,000. Instead of spending the remaining $2,000 on discretionary expenses like eating out or shopping, you decide to live below your means and save or invest that money. As I mentioned in previous tip, you could start by creating a budget to track your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. For instance, you might decide to cook more meals at home instead of eating out, cancel subscriptions you don't use, or shop around for cheaper insurance rates. By living below your means, you can build an emergency fund, pay off debt faster, save for retirement, or invest in assets that appreciate over time. This can help you achieve financial freedom and live a more stress-free life. Tip number 3 is eliminating debt. Debt can be a heavy burden to carry both financially and emotionally. Eliminating debt means paying off any outstanding balances on loans, credit cards, or other forms of debt. For example, if you have a credit card balance of $5,000 with an interest rate of 18%, by making only the minimum payment each month, you'll end up paying over $7,000 in interest charges, and it will take you more than 20 years to pay off the debt. To eliminate this debt, you could create a debt repayment plan. Start by setting a goal for when you want to be debt-free and calculate how much you need to pay each month to achieve that goal. Let's say you want to pay off the credit card balance in 2 years. You'll need to pay $246 per month to free up this money. You could cut back on discretionary expenses or find ways to increase your income, such as taking on a side hustle. Once you have your plan in place, stick to it and make your payments on time every month. You could also consider transferring your balance to a card with a lower interest rate or consolidating your debts into a single loan. Tip number 4 is increasing your income. It means finding ways to earn more money either through your current job or by taking on additional work and creating multiple streams of income. There are many ways to increase your income, such as taking on side hustle, negotiating a raise, starting a small business, renting out a spare room on Airbnb, or selling goods on online shops. For example, If you work as a sales representative and earn $50,000 a year, to increase your income, you could start by looking for opportunities to earn commissions or bonuses based on your performance. You could also negotiate a raise with your employer or look for higher paying jobs in your field. Another option is to take on a side hustle or start a small business. For example, you might use your skills and interests to freelance, teach classes online, or sell products on a platform like Etsy. To get started, consider your strengths, passions, and available time. Research potential opportunities and determine how much you could realistically earn from each one. Then develop a plan for how you'll balance your main job with your side hustle. By diversifying your income sources, you can reduce your dependence on a single job and increase your earning potential. Next tip is investing. Often investing may seem daunting, but it's actually one of the most powerful tools to achieve financial independence. By investing consistently, you can build a future where your money works for you, not the other way around. And you can take advantage of compound interest and potentially grow your wealth over time. In addition to generating passive income, investing can also provide a hedge against inflation and help you build long-term wealth that can provide financial security and independence in retirement. To invest, start by setting aside a portion of your income each month for long-term investments. Whether you are investing in stocks, bonds, retirement accounts, real estate, or other assets, the key is to create a diversified portfolio that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. However, it's important to note that investing does involve risk, and it's important to educate yourself and seek professional advice before making any investment decisions. It's also important to have a long-term investment strategy and resist the temptation to make emotional or impulsive decisions based on a short-term market fluctuations. Last but not least tip is being patient and persistent. Achieving financial independence takes time and effort. There may be setbacks and challenges along the way, but don't give up. Keep pushing forward, stay disciplined, and trust the process. Imagine the sense of accomplishment and joy that you will feel once you reach your goal. Let's imagine you have a goal of achieving financial independence in 5 years. You have a full-time job that pays well, but you want to increase your income and savings rate to reach your goals faster. You decide to start a side hustle by selling handmade crafts online. However, your first few months of sales are slow and it's tempting to give up and focus solely on your day job. But instead you choose to be patient and persistent. You continue to improve your craft and marketing strategy, and you reach out to potential customers and collaborators. Over time, your sales start to grow and you begin to generate a steady stream of income from your side hustle. This approach requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to take risks and learn from failures, but it can ultimately pay off in the long run. Don't forget that achieving financial independence is not just about money, it's about having the freedom to live the life that we truly want. It's about taking control of our finances and creating a better future for ourselves and our loved ones. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel for more useful videos. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your own experience and tips for financial independence. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.